start, sir? Good morning to everybody. Myself, Bhagwan Srinatha Vishnu, founder, national president of the Jai Mahabharat Party. Jai Mahabharat Party is a national level political party. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you can choose any language. Jai Mahabharat Party is the only one word, only one award. This is purely the Jai Mahabharat Party alternative to the Congress Party and BJP Party to the India. In all over India, Jai Mahabharat Party alternative of Congress Party and BJP Party. Jai Mahabharat Party participated in Lok Sabha election 2014 and 2019 in various states in so many Lok Sabha parliamentary constituencies, and as well as we participated so many assembly state elections across the India. Right now we are going to contest all Tamil Nadu state, all assembly seats alonely. I think 234 assembly segments, assembly conference we are going to contest on behalf of Jai Mahabharat Party, and as well as West Bengal, Assam, Kerala also we are going to contest in all states, and more preferably we are going to contest in forthcoming parliament elections 543 Lok Sabha seats lonely. The thing is, the agenda, Jai Mahabharat Party main agenda is for the nation. We built India as a #1 country across the world, and we bring the 1 rupee is equal to $2. This is our motto, and we eradicate the entire unemployment in India, and we provide employment opportunity across the India in all sectors, and we have our proper agenda. We are introducing in our agenda all over India free education and free medication policies. You have no single entity you have to pay for the education and medication. The entire education and medication free of cost is the burden of government. If in future we form the Jai Mahabharat government, we assure that we will provide free education, free medication all over India, that to be nationalized scheme. So we eradicate state level education and state level medication system. We take over the entire education and medication like that postal department, railway department. We amend and we adopt the education and medication system national level. That to be free. Neither Karodpati nor Garib. There is no difference at all in education system and medication system. And national level water and system and reverse interlinking system. Across the India, all rivers interlinked with each other and built a big canal and sub-canals to provide the agricultural water facilities to the farmers to gain and to raise the food content and food grains to avoid the hunger, and we can control and establish best law and order across the India. Right now, the BJP government very badly adopted Anti-Farmer Act. You know well, you all know well. So we agitated and give the support to the farmers across the India, and we also fight against the Anti-Farmer Act against the BJP until completely repealed or drop out the already made that bad anti-farmer laws. And moreover, the BJP government exploits the Indian people under the guise of corporate companies. In our India, during the reign of BJP government, 10 lakh crore rupees looted by the only 28 corporate companies, that to be belongs to 27 only Gujarat, and one company belongs to like that Vijay Mallya Bangalore. These 28 people looted the Indian people's rupees near about 10 lakh crore. Today, even a single person not arrested by the concerned police department. These are all escaped by the support of BJP and enjoying the in abroad countries like that London. This is the BJP government policy. So Congress also made so many wrongs. Special economic zones made by the Congress and looted the agricultural farmers' efforts, and they acquired the big land mafia and special economic zones. So Congress and BJP both are anti-activists committed previous days. So our motto is BJP and Congress completely on root basis. We try to our best level to eradicate, to wash out the BJP government and Congress government in our India. So Jai Mahabharat Party is the future of the India. Today, near about 38% youngsters looking for the nation as a newcomer, new political party. The vision, the faith, this is the Jai Mahabharat Party. This is assure you we maintain good law and order. We can provide every possibility things to the people as best manner. That's why Jai Mahabharat Party right now going to contest 234 assembly seats in Tamil Nadu state. I think Tamil people in our India, best culture, best manner. We also belong to South India, but we made a national level political party. As and today, Congress or BJP made by the North Indian people only, but there is no South India people till today not making any national level political party. That opportunity on behalf of Jai Mahabharat Party, we got it. We formed the Jai Mahabharat Party in the year of 2010, and we fought the Lok Sabha election 2014 and 2019. So that's why in our India, Tamil Nadu is a different state, different culture among the India. It is an intellectual state. It is a work-minded state. It is a complete state. It is a loyal state. It is a honest state. The people is loyal, committed, honest. That's why I appreciate all our Tamil brothers and sisters, mothers, whatever it may be. That's why Jai Mahabharat Party going to contest alone in 234 assembly segments. Our main agenda, entire Tamil Nadu, we have to provide free education and free medication, and irrespective of caste and religion, we provide scholarship facilities to the students, and we have to support maximum extent to the farmers of our Tamil people. Why? Because of our intention, our motto of the Jai Mahabharat Party is the main agriculture based. We absolutely support always farmers and farmers workers. And after that, Jai Mahabharat Party made GST near about 28%. I think so it is not reasonable. It is repealed by the Jai Mahabharat Party if government made the common tax. GST repealed by the common tax, CT, Common Tax Act, CT 16% is enough to the India. Common tax 16% is sufficient to the India. It is the greedy 28%. So government under the guise of GST looting the entire Indian business people as well as new enterprises. So this effective will come out today. You are seeing in market there is no paisa, there is no money. So money blacked by the big corporate companies under the guise of 2000 rupees. in our India need not necessary to introduce 2,000 rupees. 1,000 is enough. Otherwise 1,000 is not enough. 500, 200, 100 it is enough. But BJP wantedly made the 2,000 notes to black the money on behalf of corporate companies. So Jai Mahabharat Party saying that PM, Prime Minister, the definition changed by the BJP Sarkar. Personal manager to the corporate companies. Right now the definition going personal manager to the corporate companies, not Prime Minister. So BJP as well as Congress, all people put their efforts and investments under the guise of these corporate companies. They mobilize the Congress and BJP funds money. That is why right now India under the control of mafia, like that corporate mafia. So Jai Mahabharat Party deadly opposite to the corporate system and BJP Congress. If our government is formed in the nation, one slab system is coming to before you. Anybody cannot work, cannot do above the 1,000 CR project. The slab system all over India, any entrepreneur, any business magnate, so can do up to 1,000 crore business. Above the 1,000 crore take over by the government, central government. Then the entire money control, under control the people.
Bharat Party, it is a national party, and our Bhagwan Ji, young leader to the India. Actually, our aim is, Mahabharat Party aim is fight against corruption. See, so many problems we are facing, like farmers. Farmers are most important to our India, and we are getting food through farmers. And even BJP party is a national party, it is the biggest in India, and even farmers, they are neglecting the farmers. We are demanding that immediately solve the problem and stop the farmers strike. And then moreover, so many corporate companies are winding up and government companies also wind up now. We are demanding that 3 crore people are unemployed now with the winding up the companies throughout the India. So immediately we are demanding that take the unemployment people and give a job. It is our main agenda, and moreover save the, and even big America like company, America agent, now elected president Biden is announced for the unemployed people stipend 2 lakh rupees something they have announced. Like this year also in India we have so many unemployed. See, media, you people know that. I am into media also. I know that our media, how many problems are facing. First solve our media problem and then job provide. And immediately announce that you have to announce stipend. It is our main request and our main agenda.